Topic 1. Former President Trump increases tariffs on Canadian steel and aluminum, leading to retaliatory measures from Europe and impacting global trade relations. Former President Donald Trump announced an increase in tariffs on Canadian steel and aluminum from 25% to 50%. This move is seen as a retaliation against Ontario's additional 25% charge on electricity exports to the U.S. Trump has suggested that Canada should become the 51st state of the U.S. The European Union and Australia have expressed strong opposition to these tariffs, with the EU planning to impose retaliatory tariffs on $28 billion worth of U.S. products. This tariff war is escalating tensions in global trade relations, particularly between the U.S. and Canada. While the tariffs are intended to protect U.S. steel and aluminum producers, they are expected to lead to rising prices and negatively impact the agricultural sector in the U.S. Topic 2. Economic concerns with potential recession risks, inflation trends, and stock market dynamics. Recent economic conditions have become uncertain due to Trump's trade policies, raising the risk of a recession. Some economists estimate a 20 to 40% chance of a recession by next year, as indicated by a 1,200% increase in Google searches for recession. A recession typically occurs when the economy contracts for 2 consecutive quarters, leading to increased unemployment and reduced economic activity. The stock market is also experiencing volatility, and while inflation reports have shown lower than expected figures, new tariffs could lead to price increases. The Federal Reserve is taking a cautious approach to balance inflation and unemployment, warning of the possibility of stagflation, where high inflation and recession occur simultaneously. Topic 3. Elon Musk's strategic moves in India and plans to double Tesla's vehicle output in the U.S. Elon Musk is making strategic moves to enter the Indian market, partnering with major telecom companies Reliance Jio and Bharti Airtel for his satellite internet service, Starlink. This collaboration aims to provide internet connectivity to remote areas in India, showcasing Musk's strategy to strengthen his presence in the Indian market. Additionally, Musk announced plans to double Tesla's vehicle production in the U.S. within the next 2 years, reflecting confidence in Trump's policies and aiming to expand the electric vehicle market in the country. Topic 4. Challenges in the electric vehicle industry, highlighted by the bankruptcy of Swedish EV battery firm Northvolt. Swedish electric vehicle battery manufacturer Northvolt has filed for bankruptcy, significantly impacting Europe's EV battery industry. The company faced financial difficulties due to rising capital costs, geopolitical instability, supply chain disruptions, and changes in market demand. Northvolt's attempt to scale up battery production was hindered by unexpected internal issues. The company is now under Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection in the U.S., with a court-appointed administrator overseeing the process. This bankruptcy leaves 5,000 employees facing an uncertain future, and Northvolt has pledged to work with authorities and labor unions to provide support and information to its staff. Topic 5. NTSB recommends banning specific helicopter flights near National Airport due to safety concerns. Federal investigators have recommended banning certain helicopter flights near Ronald Reagan National Airport following a fatal collision earlier this year. The investigation into the January 29 incident, which involved a U.S. Army Black Hawk helicopter and an American Airlines regional jet, concluded that the separation distance between the helicopter and the jet was insufficient, increasing the risk of mid-air collisions. The NTSB urged the FAA to review helicopter flight paths and close the helicopter route east of the Potomac River during runway use. The Transportation Secretary has indicated that the recommendations will be accepted, with exceptions for presidential flights and life-sav